Passive income is a great way to help you generate cash inflow. So, if you never thought of other ways to make money apart from your 9 to 5 job, in this video I'm going to show you or give you ideas of unique ways or unique passive income ideas that will generate cash flow every single day. So stay tuned, do not skip, and if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel while you are watching this, and if you are not new, thank you for coming back. So let's start without wasting anybody's time. Let's go. This involves promoting a product to an audience, and whenever someone uses your link or your referral code, you earn money doing that. So you don't need to be a celebrity to start doing this. The first thing you have to do is to join an affiliate program. You can check on ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or you simply go on Google and search affiliate programs and find the one that works for you. This is another way for you to make money without you thinking or stressing yourself. So how does it work? So here, this is where the supplier ships the product to your customer on your behalf. You don't need to have the product at home. You don't need to do anything. You have not even seen the product. You will need to find an e-commerce platform or a website store. In this case, I'll recommend you to start with Shopify store. So before you put the product, try your best to at least buy each product that you are going to place on your website. I'm telling you to do that because at least when you buy, you really know what you're putting in so others can buy. So you don't want something that you're going to put and then a customer buys the thing and then you do not know what the product looks like or how the product is and you start getting bad reviews. So try to at least once in a while buy the product that you're adding to your website to sell, or you buy it first before adding it to your website and try the thing first. If it's not worthy, then there's no need for you to add it to your website. If you have other questions about this dropshipping, you can let me know in the comment section and I can make a video step by step showing you how to create your website, things to do and everything. People make thousands of dollars every single day, especially when you have great products and when you promote your website. So do not create your website and sit and just expect your products to be selling just like that. You might be lucky, 2 out of 10 people, it happens to them, yes, but you need to put that effort. You need to promote your website. Showing friends, for example, if you put baby stuff in there and you have friends that have babies, you show them your website and they buy over there. So when they buy, you gain your profits. If you have a lot of money sitting at the bank and staring at you, why not invest it into businesses? It can be a friend's business, it can be a company, anything, but just try to invest that money. Leaving your money in the bank is not going to make you rich. Leaving your money in the bank is not going to help you. It's just sitting there and doing nothing. So let the money work for you. You can invest a small amount of money in a company or simply a friend trying to open a store or any business and you just invest on it, and in the long run you're going to see that you'll be making your money and extra money or whatsoever you invested. Another way that you can do is lend money to friends trying to open a business, family members, or anybody that wants to borrow money. So instead of them to go to the bank, you can lend them that money, and then whatsoever interest the bank is giving them, try to go lower than that, but you're still going to make money out of it. If you're watching me right now and you have a lot of stuff at home, the one you never use, two you don't use anymore, and three you bought by mistake, why not you sell those stuff? You can sell it the same price that you bought it or simply reduce it. You just want to get rid of it. So just sell it and make money out of it. Guys, passive income is not your job. Doing service is another way to make money, guys. We all have phones. Most of the time we use our phone to maybe be on the phone with friends, laugh. Why not use our phones, download service that actually pay real money and start making money out of it? And try every single day to at least spend 2 hours or an hour or even 30 minutes in answering service. By doing this, you'll be gaining your money little by little. You're not going to get rich out of a sudden, or you're not going to get rich the next day. But doing those services is going to help you to add to whatsoever money you have. I have a video talking about a survey that I do, and I'll do as much as I can to make more videos of surveys that give you real money. So try to watch those videos as well. Who doesn't like to make money just from doing their normal shopping or their normal spending? A lot of credit cards offer sign-up bonuses and as well as cash rewards for various purchase categories. Get cash back for online shopping. If you're the type of person that tends to do a lot of shopping online, you can save a lot of money by just a single click. Rakuten is a big website or app that I use. I have a video about Rakuten. I actually have two videos showing you how to use it. There are a lot of stores today that you can earn cash back. A good example of an app that I use is Ibotta. I recently did a video of it, so you can check it out and see how it works. Ibotta has been helping me to earn a lot of money. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.